All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back live with our end of day report for trading on Thursday, March the 2nd, 2023. All right, let's take a look at what we are looking forward to for Take Back Friday so far. All right, and it goes a little something like this. The first chart we got here is Bitcoin ETF GBTC. As I am doing this broadcast, Bitcoin is down over 1,000 points, so you know what's going to happen. It means that this market's finally going to break out of this sideways channel and come down hither, probably dropping below the Kumo cloud and going into free fall status. The next support is going to be between $7.50 and $8 on this ETF. Next up, we got the US dollar index. This is ticker UUP. We have now hit the secondary upside target, as you can see right here. All right, so the top of the Kumo cloud is the current resistance point, and the market will either falter here and start to retrace back down, and the bear market will reclaim this, or the market will really power up and give us a pretty decent bear market rally. We shall see. But right now, the bulls are in control. Taking a look at oil, ticker is OIH. Market is still in a neutralized state. All right, neutralized state. Even though you got a nice little pop-up today, but we cannot ignore this bot check here. I think this rally is in danger of being faded and used as fodder. We'll see what happens, but the market is attempting, though, to relock in on the bull side. So this is a very interesting turn of events. We still have a consolidated situation here, even though the market is bouncing a little bit higher. So will the market give us a green light? Will this neutralization drop off and we go green again and the market start trending? Or will the bears be victorious? We shall see. We're still not out of the woods yet, not with this neutralized situation going on. So be careful. Next up is the Russell My Hustle. All right, so we're in a bull market position, but we still got a bearish trend momentum reading, and that's after today's market activity. It did nothing to take this market out of a bearish downtrending cycle. Is anything going to move this market? You're bullish, but you got a bearish trend momentum reading, which means you still have a bearish bias and outlook, and the market is still under distribution. Even though it's been going sideways a bit, it still has a negative outlook to it, a negative bias. What's going to happen? Next up is the S&P 500. Same thing. You're in a bear market, but you got a bearish trend momentum reading. Market can't rally. Any rallies are being sold. This is still sell the rallies in the stock indices. Next up, we got the QQQ NASDAQ 100. And again, bear market, bearish trend momentum reading, sell rallies is what we are doing here. Looking at the Dow Jones. Now, the Dow Jones is showing bull market, but again, a bearish trend momentum reading. We're below the Kumo cloud, and we're looking at selling rallies. All right, folks, sell the rallies mode is still in effect for the stock indices. Looking at silver. Silver gave us a rally alert. We got the initial upside production, and then the market kind of chilled out. But you know, we tend to lead the market 3 to 5 days out with these rally and crash alerts. So we're, as long as this is still the case, I think the bottom of the Kumo cloud is still in play here for an upside, for the initial upside target on SLV. Next up is GLD gold. And you can see here we got a negative bot check today. And you got a bearish trend momentum reading in the bull market. So I don't like seeing that bot check there. But right now, silver is acting on its own. So I think that we're probably going to see gold move down with this bot check. Even if it tries to pop up from here, I mean, you're still in, as long as you're in a bull market, the market can re-lock in on the bull situation at any time, regardless of what the price action is. So just keep that in mind. But for right now, looking like sell the rallies and the gold. Weird situation in gold right now. I got to admit that. All right, XRP Ripple still in a bear market, but you got a bullish trend momentum reading, but you're moving sideways, barely creeping up, but still the top of the Kumo cloud at 40 cents is the initial upside target in this situation. And we'll see if this market can finally give us a decent bear market rally in Ripple. All right, next up is a Litecoin. The ticker is LTCN. We got a crash alert, folks. Crash alert for tomorrow's trading. Just when it was starting to look good, you had the back-to-back rally alerts, and the market just totally dropped the ball today. Now the top of the Kumo cloud at $3.20 has come into play on this Litecoin ETF. And the Ethereum ETF, ETHE, we have a crash alert for tomorrow and a bearish trend momentum reading and a bear trend, which means the bear market has reclaimed Ethereum. And that's it, folks, for tonight. Okay. Oh, my man down in laying down under. I see you, Mick. Yeah, let me do you that solid real quick. Since your markets are open and ready to roll, let's see. You want to see nat gas futures, IVZ, and SYA. Okay, let's do the IVZ first. All right, IVZ. Okay, so this one on the ASX, this is in Invesco. All right, so this is in a neutralized state. And you had a rally alert, but because you're in a neutralized state, that kind of cancels that out. And this market, until it comes off of this neutralized status, I don't see the market going anywhere. And you crossed over from a bull market to a bear market, and you're below the Kumo cloud. So this one for right now is going absolutely nowhere. All right, the next one you want to see is SYA. I don't remember pulling that one up for you. SYA, okay. SYA. Sayana. So I guess that's how you say it. Sayana Mines. All right, let's see what we got. All right. Okay, so this one is in a bull market, and you have a bearish trend momentum reading now coming into play with a crash alert for tomorrow. You had the rally alert, only gave you a 1 day of upside production. Then the market has decided to pull back and give you a crash alert. So definitely watch yourself on this one. Be very careful. I would just follow the report on this and not try to, second guess anything or outguess the market. I would just follow the instructions on it and be very, very careful. As you know, I always say that. Be very careful. All right. Then you say you want to see nat gas. So give me a second. I'll pull up nat gas for you. Let's see. All right. Here is nat gas. All right. So nat gas, as you know, has just been in this perpetual bear market. And so you see it here. You see we have a bear market, and we had a bullish trend momentum reading, hoping for a nice bear market rally. But now we just got today a neutralization bar, the beginning. So I think this is going to cause the market to go nowhere for at least a day or so. All right. And that's just because of that neutralization bar. So we're probably going to be stuck for a while here. Sometimes it only lasts a day or two, like back here. This is November the 11th, the 10th and the 11th of last year. Only 2 days. So we'll see how long it lasts. But this is a neutralization bar, so it may cause the market to do absolutely nothing. All right, folks, that's all we got for tonight. Get ready for Take Back Friday tomorrow. Now, just remember, it doesn't necessarily mean that we will have a Take Back Friday. Markets have been wild lately and have not really been moving according to normal dynamics. Volatility is always, upon us, along with prevailing market conditions. So just be ready for anything. And with that being said, remember the system works. If you work this system, you got to be patient and wait for the trades to develop. And then you will do just fine, because bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Smash that like button. And I'm out. Peace.